Hi, I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. I got to ask this question today. How many words can you put on a Google document, whether you're doing single spacing, 1.5 spacing, or double spacing? I figured, you know what? Let's go do some testing. But before I show you the answer to this question through this test I do, hit that subscribe and notify button because I create this content specifically for you. So there is one page of text on a Google document. It's all single space. Highlight it all and confirm that. Here's spacing right here. Actually, it's not. Let's go to single space. It's all single spaced. Actually, it gives me more room to put more content. Give me a second to fill this up. There we go. That's one page of content in Google Docs. It is in fact set up, selected all, as single space. Now, how do I view how many characters, how many words this is? Go to Tools, Word Count, and it's one page, 718 words, 4,652 characters. So put that down at the bottom, hit OK, and there it is down there. Okay, the number of words. Now let's move this to 1.5 space. Select that, go to 1.5. There's 1.5, so I've got too much here. I got to go get rid of this, put a period. Now I have one page. If you look right here, you'll see it's 497 words, double spaced, 3,214 characters, 2,718 without the spaces. Now that's 1.5. Let's go to double. Select it all. Go to double space. It's even bigger. Let's put a period at the end here. Get rid of all this other stuff. And here we go. Double spaced. Single page. 1 inch left, right, top, and bottom. 11 point characters. Or Arial. 381 words, 2,460 characters, 2,080 without the spaces. There are the answers to what are the characters and what are the words in a single space, 1.5 space, and double space document in Google Docs using 11 point Arial with 1 inch top, bottom, left, and right margins. Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope you can find this information useful for you.